Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Discord application and add your bot to a Discord server. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Discord bot application and add it to your server. Here, we create a new application, name it DemoBot, accept the terms, and continue. Discord may ask you to complete a quick verification step. Once that's done, your new application will open. From the left sidebar, go to Auth2. Then scroll down to the Auth2 URL generator. Under Scopes, select Bot, then select Applications commands as well. This allows the bot to support /commands inside your Discord server. Next, scroll down to Bot Permissions. For this demo, we'll choose Administrator so the setup is quick and simple on a test server. Now scroll to the bottom and copy the generated URL. Open the URL in your browser. Discord will ask where you want to install the bot. Choose your target server. In this example, we'll select Test Server. Click Continue, review the permissions, then click Authorize. Complete any final Discord verification if prompted. Once you see the success message, go back to your Discord server. Your bot should now appear in the member list, which confirms that it has been added successfully. That's it, your Discord bot has been created and successfully added to your server. See you guys in the next videos.